There is an urgent plea this evening from residents in a section of Portmore, St. Catherine, for a sewage problem to be addressed. The issue relates to a broken pump which facilitates the effective flushing of toilets and the treatment of waste in the community. Residents say the National Water Commission, NWC, gave them a timeline for the pump to be fixed, but they say the situation cannot wait. We have more in this report.
A stagnant pool of water that produces a foul odor is what residents of Portmore Villas in Gregory Park, St. Catherine have to contend with every day. They say the sewage flowing from this man's house onto the roadway is the result of a malfunctioning pump.
For the past 3 weeks, we realized that we cannot flush no toilet at all, cannot use. When we realized the pit here start to run, we realized that them say the pump down by the bottom burn up. So when the time the pump burn up, it cannot suck the water, so the water back up. And everybody on this road have the same problem. For them can't flush toilet. So because me there so, and my pit burst here, you find say everything come back up here.
Residents say the National Water Commission was informed of the situation, but the people are not pleased with the response.
And the toilet cannot flush or anything like that, cannot bathe. And I went to the Water Commission and tell them, and they say it's not their problem. Is you must give me a number to call by Waterford. And I call them, and they say it's 18 days time. I asked the lady if my toilet must full of feces for 18 days. Right? And I have children here, and I have to bathe. Where must I go to toilet? I have 3 bathrooms, and none of them can flush. I have tenants here, and none of them can use anything.
Those with sinus problems have been forced to take extra precaution.
It gives a high stench.
Yes, a very high stench, and I have the sinus, and I can't manage it. You see me if I have me told over my nose. Can't even open my door more than so. Think bad, man.
And there are financial implications as well. Those who sell food are losing sales, while landlords are losing tenants.
Oh, because the tenant cannot flush the toilet, so it cannot be rented out anymore. See, right now the place vacant, the tenant gone. Tenant can't, and she said the sewage are back up on her, and she have her kids. And what the kids sick, cold, and all of that.
The problem is compounded by the rainy season, and parents are especially worried.
And there's a lot of kids on the line, down there so, up here so, there's a lot of children. I have 3 brothers and sisters over there so right now. And some other kids always come up here from over there so, next door, kids over here so, kids over there so, everywhere on this avenue go straight down. And it don't look good, because we live in comfortable family, and at first this happening right here so.
As the residents wait for the authorities to act, some have found their own means to safely get into and out of their homes. Prince Moore, TVJ News.